Okay, so I'm going to copy the subscriber button to all of the entire video. So for copying that, I click on the Alt button. I think it's in Windows it should be Alt, but in Mac it's Option button. So I just copy and paste it here, then copy both of them. It's too close. Let's make it a little bit. Yeah, this is good. Okay, maybe, yeah, 30 seconds is good. 30 seconds is fine. We're going to copy and paste them again here, and then copy and paste them here, also here, and then copy all of them and paste them again here. So in this way we can do it faster. So then you can copy all of them again and paste just here. So yeah, you can then copy all of them again and paste. So of course you can delete these extra ones, zoom it and delete the extra ones. Now it looks ready. So we can, yeah, it's in the beginning, we can check again if it's anything wrong, but we can add an effect also to this one, to our image. Let's see if we have an image effect. Okay, so this is the effect. I'm not going to add that effect, so this is fine. We can add some effects like these ones, or like this one. Yeah. Yeah, this one is not nice actually, so I'm going to add this effect. But probably this is a pro effect, just use for those who are subscribed with pro version. So you probably have not access to this this effect, but if it has no effect, it's fine. So I'm going to use this one. It's because we add the effect, we have to move it a little bit further. Otherwise, if there was no effect, so that was fine. As you can see, effect is coming up to here. It ends here. Then it has to be a little bit, yeah. Yeah, this is good. I'm going to move the subscribing button a little bit further until they appear. Yeah, because at first all of them was appearing at the same time, so it's kind of getting very busy here. So we give the people, when they are watching, to read the texts, and then the next one, the subscribing button coming up. So give them some time to think and read the text. It is good. Yeah, it's nice, and it's ready for exporting now. Everything is fine. So at the end, I'm going to click on export. So just check how long will it take. So for the other videos, for number 2, number 3, number 4, we are going to use the same template. You don't need to add the subscribing button. So here it's a little bit more gap, so I can copy this one and paste it also in the middle here. Okay, so There is also here. Okay, that's fine now, I think. Yeah, that's good. So for the other videos, the only thing that we change the image and also the musics. We change the image and the musics. So we are going to use this template. I'm going to share this also on CapCut to you. So let's click on export, and then here relaxation music number 1. This name is fine, and we can click on export. So it probably take half an hour to export. It depends to your computer. If your computer is good, the RAM is high and everything is good, so it will finish very quickly. As you can see here, it takes 7.54 gigabytes space. So because of that, I told you that you should have enough space, more than 100 gigabytes in your drive C. So when it exports, exporting is finished. I'm going to show you how to upload it on YouTube directly.